Hey there everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to adjust screen size in OBS Studio. So let's get started. Alright, first of all let's just make it bigger. Alright, after that if you want to adjust your screen size, you can simply just move your mouse cursor to right over here. Also then you can easily move your screen or adjust your screen like this. It's very simple, just move your cursor right over here. You can also do from here as well. Also, if you want to move the screen, first of all just drag it down, but it doesn't work. What is the problem? You have mostly locked the screen. All right, so you need to unlock the screen. For that you need to select this unlock option from here. Then it will be movable. Then you can also make it smaller like this, or if you want to stretch your screen, you can do that as well by tapping on holding the shift key. All right, hold the shift key on your keyboard, then you can stretch your video like this or video screen like this. Also, if you want to crop the video running onto your screen, you can also do that by tapping on the Alt button into your keyboard. All right, just hold the Alt button, and as you can see, we can also crop the screen like this. Suppose you have just zoomed in too much and you want to now unselect this option. What you can do, you can just right click on it, go to the transform and tap on the reset transform option. So this will undo all the necessary thing you have done. It will undo all of that. So that's how you can easily adjust screen size in OBS Studio. Rather than that, if this video doesn't help you out, you can also see another video coming onto the screen right now. You can also see this video, and I hope that video will help you out. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.